morning.
Good morning.
Yes, we are doing exercise, walking lang po sa umaga. And at the same time, we are looking for a good place, spot to have our companionship study and some planning for today. Okay. So nandito kami ngayon sa side ng pool. So napakagandang maglakad dito ng umaga, 5 a.m.
Yeah, medyo malamig.
Yeah. Actually, magandang exercise sa morning yung walking lang with your companion, and magandang time na rin to have a conversation. So study today. Guys, maliwanag na. It's 6:30. So yeah, we were able to have our walking, no? So heto, more than an hour yung walking natin.
And companionship study.
Yan, yun yung pinaka mahalaga for today. Yung nagkaroon kami ng companionship study and discussions on so many things. Yun yung love na. Hanggang dito na lang. See you again tomorrow. At sa mga susunod na mga videos namin for our kids. We love you guys. Enjoy your day.
Bye.
We are your